you guys, we've been working really hard on this DA-40, and quite honestly, I didn't lie to her. I'm going to tell you the truth as things go along. She's from First Source Bank. We know him from IFC. He's our vice president of CFI. He's our money guy that says, you can't spend that, you can't have that credit card. And I said, we want to buy an airplane. And they financed the DA-40, or the 6 when we bought it. We paid it off in the first 5 years. And like I say, we have members that are part of their bank. And they said, you know, we want to help you guys. What is it going to take to do this? I said, well, you know, I want to buy it. That's what you guys seen the last one. I want to buy it. Let's do it. And what I was told by Ryan in all his time of doing aviation, buying and selling airplanes, to buy an airplane in less than a month, have it funded with financing. And guys, if you would, open those back doors. The reason I brought Ryan, he donated his time. So him, myself, and Brian from IFC, we flew out there last Wednesday and Thursday. They pre-flighted that plane. I thank you, Ryan.
Well, we thank you guys.
That was a lot of work.
You guys, if I can just a second, you guys have a pretty special group here. Most flying clubs aren't as successful as what this club is. And I've seen clubs of much smaller size fail with just one airplane. So the fact that you guys have the fleet that you do, the fact that you've been able to upgrade and update and have one of the nicest flying club available airplanes, in my opinion, in the Midwest, is all thanks to the people who volunteer their time to make sure this thing runs fluidly.